This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring solids and water precisely because concentration controls growth. Combine agar, peptone, salts in the flask with distilled water and stir to suspend particles. Heat gently to dissolve agar while stirring. Do not boil aggressively. Once dissolved, cool slightly and check pH. Adjust with small volumes of HCl or NaOH until target pH is reached. Make sure to label the batch and record concentrations. This prevents mix-up and ensures reproducibility for the next steps. Once your medium is mixed and adjusted, transfer to autoclavable bottles and sterilize at 121 degrees C, 15 psi for 15-20 minutes to eliminate contaminants. After autoclaving, cool the medium to about 45-50 degrees C so it stays liquid, but won't kill supplements or organisms. Then add antibiotics or heat-sensitive vitamins. Make sure to work in a biosafety cabinet when adding supplements. Finally, label bottles with date and composition before pouring to maintain traceability and safety. Pour plates evenly and let them solidify at room temperature. Once set, invert to prevent condensation and store sealed at 4 degrees C. When you incubate plates later, inspect for unexpected growth or discoloration. Those signs mean contamination or preparation error. If plates are contaminated, discard them in biohazard waste, decontaminate the workspace with 10% bleach, and re-autoclave instruments. One key troubleshooting tip: if your agar is too soft, increase agar by 0.51.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.